SoCal approach, Delta 1167. 16, descending via the Ironman 2, we've got call.
At 1167 SoCal approach, expect a visual 24 right.
Alright, visual 24 right, and be advised we're doing practice auto land for current.
Roger. Delta 1167, descend and maintain 3000.
Descend 3000, Delta 1167.
Delta 1167, reduce speed to 180.
Speed 180, Delta 1167.
Delta 1167, descend and maintain 3000 at speed 180 if I didn't give it to you.
Yep, 3000, 180, Delta 1167.
Delta 1167, turn right heading 160 on the turn airport at 3 o'clock, 13 miles, advise and set.
Right turn 160, Delta 1167, let you know. Field side, Delta 1167.
Thank you. The Heavy Dreamliner heading to the left. There for the south side. Turn right heading 220 to join. Cleared visual approach runway 24 right.
Right, join. 24 right, Delta 1167.
Delta 1167, you're cleared visual approach runway 24 right.
Third visual 24 right, Delta 1167. Speed 180 to Kobe, tower on 133.9 connect. 180 to Kobe, 33.9, Delta 1167, take care. LA Tower, Delta 1167. For visual 24 right, we'll be doing a practice auto land.
Delta 1167 LA Tower, runway 24 right, clear to land in the ILS area of the pier clear.
Alright, clear land 24 right, Delta 1167. Delta 1167, just verify we're clear to land 24 right.
Delta 1167 confirmed, runway 24 right, clear to land.
Clear land 24 right, Delta 1167.
That's 1167 at Whiskey Cross, runway 24 left and ground point 65.
Whiskey Cross, 24 left, ground point 65, Delta 1167. LA ground, Delta 1167, clearing at Whiskey for gate 21 Alpha.
Up 1167, LA ground taxi via Echo, hold short of November.
Echo, short of November, Delta 1167.
67, gate 21 Alpha still occupied. Let's see, give way to this Embraer from your right on November, then taxi forward on Echo, but hold short of Lima.
Alright, call sign was blocked there.
With 1167, taxi, continue via Echo, hold short Lima.
Echo, short of Lima, Delta 1167.
Checking in for flights and managing your SkyMiles account. If you have a connection, please go out to the terminal and check the TV monitor and the concourse for the most up-to-date flight and gate information. We're going to be parking at gate 21A as an Alpha this evening. We do operate out of Terminal 2, Terminal 3, and Terminal Tom Bradley here in Los Angeles. If LA is your final destination and you have any checked luggage, you're going to place that luggage in carousel number 22. On behalf of Delta, thank you for choosing us. Have a great rest of your week.
1167, taxi via right turn Lima, left turn on Delta, then hold short of Delta 10.
Alright, right on Lima, left on Delta, short of Delta 10, Delta 1167.
1167, continue Echo Delta 8 to the gate.
Echo, Delta 8 to the gate, Delta 1167, good night.
Right.